Srimanarayana, 15th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Pasyami devan tava deva dehe sarvan tadha bhuta visesha sanghan brahmanamisam kamalasanastham rishincha sarvan uragancha divyan. Om. Realize and always remember that all the devatas, all the beings, Brahma, Rudra, all the sages, all the serpents, everything is there in divine Sri Krishna Paramatma's Visvarupam. In 10th chapter, Sri Krishna Paramatma said, I am in everything. Now he is showing that everything is in his divine Visvarupam. That means Krishna Paramatma proving that he is all over, internally and externally, pervaded everywhere. According to Vedas, internal, external pervasiveness derives a title called Narayana. Antar Bahischa Tatsarvam Vyapya Narayana Sthitaha. That means the best title to Sri Krishna Paramatma is Narayana. The best word to address Sri Krishna Paramatma is Narayana. The most powerful mantra to approach Sri Krishna Paramatma is Narayana. That is why within this lifetime approach a authentic guru and get Narayana mantra and start surrendering to Sri Krishna Paramatma through that Narayana mantra. Until then, keep on saying Jai Sriman Narayana, Jai Sriman Narayana to make you, to help you qualify to get an Acharya. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma to make Sri Krishna Paramatma happy. Follow these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, whenever I get to see your picture or murti, I shall realize, I shall remember that all the beings, all the devatas, Brahma, Rudra, all the sages and all the serpents, everything is there in your divine Visvarupam. I shall also realize that you are all over, internally and externally. That is why the best title to address you is Narayana. The best word to address you is Narayana. The most powerful mantra to approach you is Narayana. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall definitely approach an authentic guru to get Narayana mantra and surrender to you. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall start to keep on taking to make my second nature as Jai Sriman Narayana, Jai Sriman Narayana. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone, I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవసంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవోభినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాస మహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమద్భాగవతము దశమస్కంధము 10th స్కంధం 167th డే. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Paramapurusha Sakshat Sriman Narayana, as a Sri Krishna growing in Nandavrajam while listening to all the Gopikas and Gopalas and doing whatever they want, all the works, and giving them such a wonderful, great amount of joy. And darsayan tat vidam loka atmano bhrutyavashyatam. Paramatma doesn't look into the status, whether they belong to low cadre or high cadre. He doesn't care. All that he cares is everyone who ever loves him, he will be under control of those great devotees. That is what Balakrishna, Chinni Krishna knows. And that is his nature, to be in control of those who loves him. So while the days were passing like that in Nandavraj, one of those days, one girl selling fruits, and she is also saying that, here is the fruits, I am selling fruits. When she was announcing like that, Achyuta Sri Krishna Paramatma Shrutva Satvaram Achyutah Phalardhi Dhanyamadaya Yayau Sarva Phalapradaha. He heard that, and immediately he started calling her. Oh, my dear mother, please come here. I will give you some grains. Can you please give me some fruits? Like that he asked, and he took some grains in his both hands, and a handful of grains he is carrying and walking towards the door. Then the girl who is selling fruits also came down to the door. So while Krishna carrying the grains, Phala Vikrayini Tasyachyuta Dhanya Karadvayam Phalaihi Apurayat Ratnaihi Phalabandam Apuricha. Because his both hands were so small, all the grains started slowly slipping off. Then whatever the grain that it is left in his both hands, Krishna gave that grain to that girl, and now asking fruits from her. Who is this Krishna? Sakshat Sriman Narayana, the one who can give any number of unlimited of fruits to all the worlds. such Sarva Phalaprada Sri Krishna Paramatma is now begging some fruits from an ordinary woman. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 15th sloka. Pasyami devamstava deva dehe sarvamstadha bhuta vishesha sanghan Brahmanamisam kamalasanastham Rishimscha sarvan vuragamscha divyan Pasyami devamstava deva dehe sarvamstadha bhuta vishesha sanghan Brahmanamisam kamalasanastham Rishimscha sarvan vuragamscha divyan. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.